Hi everyone, I'm back. Just a quick video showing you how to take a screenshot from your desktop or laptop so that you are able then to grab a piece of that screen to then place into a Word document to be able to report on that. So what I wanted to show you first is that you can actually change the size of what appears in front of you to be able to take a better screenshot. So you would typically have little three dots on the side here. I'm working here on Google Chrome, so you can increase the size here or you can decrease it so that you can see the full post. So I'm just using this post by Matla Habana. It's not related to any of the student groups working with them, but nonetheless, let's have a look. So typically what will happen is on a normal laptop or on a desktop, you'll be able to press Control Print Screen. Once you do that, that print screen will either save and you can see where it saves, or it will go and lie at the bottom of your screen, or it will go and sit on your desktop or in your downloads folder. In my case, it will sit on my desktop because I'm working with a Mac. So as you can see, this is what it will look like, and it's in the format of an image. There is another option, so those of you who do have a Mac can press the buttons CMD Shift 4, and you are then able to actually select a particular section on the page, which will then go and appear as a screenshot, and it will look like that. But most of us are going to work with this particular image. So let's open the image. On the image, this is what you will see, and you in particular want to take this particular part. So you'll be able to select that section, and you can then go, let's just move it a little bit so you can see. You'll press Edit, and you'll say Copy or Control C. You'll go to your Word document. Remember, we used this Word document when we created the Gantt chart. And you'll go Edit, Paste, or you can say Control V. And there you will see the screenshot you've taken, and you'll be able to report on it. So now, of course, from a layout point of view, you want it to look quite nice, and you want to be able to report on it next to it. So then you need to play around with that image, or a very good way of doing it is to actually create a table. So you create, let me just deselect that first, and let's delete all of these things at the top. So what you want to do is you want to create a table. Let's just say you're going to do 2 columns for now. You'll take your image, you'll say Control X, and then inside the block you'll say Control V, and there you have your post. And then you can very easily type on the side related to that post. If you don't want the lines to appear, of course, you'll select the little block at the top with the cross arrows there, and you'll select this part where you'll take away all the borders, and then you won't see any borders, and you have a very nice layout of what this will look like. Of course, you can play around with your table at the top here of how it will fit into your page, and there you go. Let me know if you have any more questions about how to do this, but that's typically how you'll go about. So all the best.